Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we are going to learn what DNS is and what are the different types of DNS. So let us start. In the internet, computers always identify each other with unique numbers called IP addresses. They do not understand human languages. If computers do not understand human languages, how they load a website when we type its address in the web browser's URL bar? That's the place where DNS comes in. Suppose we speak English and we want to communicate a person who speaks French. For effective communication, we will need a translator. Same is the case on the internet too. Computers or web browsers understand IP addresses, and humans, we understand our languages, for example, English. DNS acts as a translator between humans and the computers. DNS or domain name system maintains a table where names are mapped into numbers, or more specifically, where websites' domain names are mapped to their IP addresses. Now, when we type google.com in the web browser, DNS translates it into web browser's language, that is IP address, and gives it to the web browser. Now, web browser understands that we want to access the google.com. So it contacts the Google server and loads google.com on the computer. Ensure DNS acts as a phone book of the internet, where computer searches with names to get numbers. Now, we will see the internal working of the DNS. To understand this, first of all, we should know what are DNS servers. Servers are computers storing HTML files, images, sounds, videos for any other file types. Servers that work together to provide IP address of the requested website to the web browser are called DNS servers. There are four types of DNS servers: DNS Recursive Resolver or DNS Resolver, Root Name Server, Top Level Domain or TLD Name Server, and the last one, Authoritative Name Server. Now we will discuss about these. DNS Resolver is provided by the Internet Service Provider. It connects the Internet web browser of our computer to the DNS name servers. Root Name Server. There are 13 sets of root name servers, logically named as letter.rootservers.net, where letter ranges from A to M and are operated by 12 different organizations. Each set has a number of servers placed around the world, and informational page exists for all root name servers at address letter.rootservers.org, where letter ranges from A to M except G. For G, this is the home page address. Details of all root name servers can be found in the website www.rootservers.org. TLD name servers store the information of all domains sharing a common domain extension. For example, .com TLD name servers store the information of all websites ending with .com extension. And .NET TLD name server stores the information of all .NET websites, and so on. And then the last one, Authoritative name server. It stores the IP address of the requested website. Authoritative name server for a website can be found with the CMD commands. Open CMD and type NSLOOKUP and press enter. Then type set query is equals to NS and press enter. Then type the domain name and then press enter. Then you will be able to see the authoritative name servers. One is master and other is slave. Slave is exact replica of master and is used to share the DNS server load. So Up to now, we have discussed about what is DNS and different types of DNS. If this video is helpful to you, please like, share this video and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.